Hey guys, this is Jacob Neufeld from American Implement, and today I'm going to be going over this 1585 John Deere commercial front mower. The 1585 John Deere commercial front mower was built for quite a few different customer bases. One of the largest ones is lawn care companies that have large corporate accounts. One thing that sets you apart in the competitive lawn care industry is always having a quality cut, and this 1585 gives you that option. It'll also let you take care of large campuses quickly with a large 72-inch deck. Since your mowers have heated and cooled cabs, it's going to be easier for you to find and retain good help in the summer. And with a hydraulic angling blade and snowblower options that you can attach to the front of this tractor, it'll actually give you another option to provide a service to these large corporate accounts, whether that's cleaning their driveways or mowing for them in the summer. You can always stay in touch with your customers and add to your bottom line. For some corporations, it makes more sense to do the upkeep of your campuses in-house, and the 1585 is a really good option for you to do so. The 1585 was built for companies and departments that need to keep walkways clean in the winter and then also have a lot of mowing to do in the summer. Some of these departments would include golf courses, cemeteries, and parks and recreational departments for cities. Some of the strongest features of this 1585 is its serviceability. When you pop open that hood, you can see here that it has a large area that keeps the engine cool, and you don't actually have to clean this very often. Let's hop around over to the cab. When you look inside the cab, it actually has a floorboard where you can easily access the transaxle, the PTO, and also almost all the linkages right from an easy spot to get to. Next, I want to talk about the powertrain. The powertrain on this 1585 is a 37 horsepower direct injected diesel engine. It gets its power to the ground with all-wheel drive, and it has a hydrostat transmission that's easy to use. All you have to do is put it in high or low gear right here and drive in forward or reverse using just those pedals. Next up, I want to talk about the attachments. So this one here, this is a 72-inch Fastback rear discharge mower. The reason this customer went with a rear discharge mower is because they're going to be doing some lawn care work where there's going to be more foot traffic, and to keep people safe, they thought it would be a better idea to rather have the rear discharge mower than the side discharge. We do also have the side discharge as an option in 60-inch and 72-inch decks, and then we also have the 60-inch deck rear discharge. And if you have an uneven terrain that you need to take care of, we have a Hvac 72-inch deck as well. Along with the front mowers, the 1585 also comes with other great attachments. You can have a snowblower or a rotary brush to keep the driveways clean, or you can get one of these front angling blades that's designed to actually flip over material instead of pushing it, so that you can push more and using less of your horsepower. This is one of the simpler attachments you can get for the 1585, but it's probably one of the most used. It also has springs designed to, if you hit a rock or a hard surface with the front blade, it'll actually just take all the tension with the springs instead of damaging the blade or stopping the tractor. Let's go over a few more things on this 1585. So inside the cab, you have a radio and an HVAC system. This HVAC system is going to make sure you're comfortable on cold winter days or hot summer days. We also have a clean air filter This makes sure that no dust particles or allergen particles get inside the cab, and it's very easy to access and change out. The seat on this 1585 is a cloth seat. It's a large air ride seat. You can adjust it further forward or further back depending on your height. It has armrests here, and it's designed with lumbar support to make sure that even after 8 or 10 hours inside the cab all day, you're not going to be too tired. Lastly, let's go over the controls on this 1585. This 1585 has very clear symbols for every control, for what it does for you and how to utilize it better. And then one of my favorite parts is it gives you a little chart to show you how to operate the transmission, to make sure that if you have a newer employee hopping in here and doing work, that the training time isn't going to be very long for them. Guys, that was just a quick walk around of the 2020 year model John Deere 1585 commercial front mower. If you have any other front mower questions or commercial front mower questions that you have, give your local American Implement dealership a call. Thanks.